A very good morning, students. Our session of Business Management 3. In the previous session, we have started our new unit, that is unit number 3. It's about office automation. In the last session, we learned about the introduction part, meaning, import, and the basis of office automation. That was there in our previous session. Today we are going to start with a new point, that is importance of office automation. Office automation makes it possible for business organizations to improve their productivity and recognized easier way to do business in profits. Yes, it is really very important one that with the help of the applications of office automation, the organization is able to enhance its profit with the minimum efforts. Started primarily as data processing and word processing tool, office automation now includes more sophisticated and complex tasks like integration, front office and back end system. Now in the initial stage, the data processing and word processing is the primary work of office automation. But as far as the requirement of modernization is concerned, now the scope of office automation is enhanced, and now they are focusing on the main task of the organization, that is to have a proper integration between our front office work and between our back office work. Yes, as we all know that there are two different departments in the organization. The first one is a front office, in which the organization is going to deal with different intermediaries, different third persons, and the back office. Back office is a department in which the organization is going to have their recording of the transactions. Each and every data are going to be recorded in this department. So, through the system of modern tools of office automation, now it is possible that within a single click of our heavy equipments, our heavy machineries, the organization is able to make a good integration between the work of front office and between the work of back office. There are different types of automation which can be used in different business industries across the globe. Yes, there are many types of automations available in our organization, but the use of that automation is totally depends upon the nature of the organization, the size of the organization, and we can say that the basic requirement of the same. Office automation systems help in optimizing the existing office procedure by saving time, money, and human efforts. Yes, as we all know that if the whole work is done by the human efforts, if the physical handling of the work will be there, then it definitely includes lots of time. It going to waste your money, and definitely if the physical work is there, through that a maximum employees are going to be required for the handling of these activities. So through this systematic application of office automation, the organization is in a position to save the time, the energy, the money, and efforts of our employees. So there is a very much importance of office automation in the organization, which is there in the world of globalization. Now, one by one, we are going to see the importance of office automation. The first one, data storage and manipulation. With the help of office automation, organization is able to store a huge data in a proper manner in a single device, and organization is in position to manipulate the data so that there will no chance of missing of the data will be there, and the data which are left out for the particular entries. So through machine, organization is able to store a huge data with a proper device, and the safety of the data are going to be maintained in a proper manner. The second one is data management. The management of the data is very important, because first and foremostly, organization is going to record data randomly. The data of different departments are going to be recorded at the same time, but then after, the informations of different department is going to be stored in that particular department with the help of the system of office automation. So here, through this latest technology, the raw data is going to be stored in the department in which they are belonging. So management of data is possible with the help of office automation. Then after, third importance is data exchange. Organization can easily exchange the data with others. So if organization need to exchange data within the different departments of the same organization, then that is possible. And if the organization wishes to exchange the data with the third party, with the external party, then also it is possible. So the exchange of data is there with the help of office automation. Then after, fourth one, accuracy. Yes, the chances of errors will be minimum if we are working on machines, and here each and every data, each and every information is going to be recorded, and it is going to be stored in hi-fi equipments, hi-fi machineries. Then definitely the accuracy can be easily maintained. So the chances of error, chances of fraud will be minimum to minimum if machine is going to store the data and if the machine is going to manage the whole data. Fifth one is about cost reduction. Yes, through the different machines of office automation, organization is able to control their cost of data handling and the maintenance of the data in a proper manner, because organization is going to bear one-time expenditure, that is the purchase of the machineries. Then after, no additional cost is going to be bared by the organization. If the data will be handled by the human beings, then definitely that includes a heavy cost, because you are going to pay salaries to each and every employees who are engaged in this data management process. Again, the chances of errors, the chances of fraud will be maximized. So definitely that will prove costlier for the organization. So through this office automation, organization is in position to control that cost. Then after sixth point, reduce workload. Definitely through office automation, the workload is easily reduced, because now with the single click, the organization is in a position to record the data, to store the data, to manage the data, and the bifurcation of the data in different departments is possible. So, through office automation, the workload will be reduced at the maximum level. Then after seventh point, save time and resources. Machine can easily save our time, and it definitely save our resources, because if we are talking about the computers, if you are going to prepare one presentation in computer, then it will take a time of only a few minutes, and if you are preparing by yourself, then it is really very time consuming, because you yourself is going to record or draft each and everything in a proper manner. So definitely in organization, through office automation, the time and the resources can be easily saved. The next importance is about sustainability. Yes, the data which are there in our record have a long life. Organization can easily store their data for the maximum period of time. So, sustainability can be easily maintained through our office automation. If the same data will be recorded physically, then papers have no long life. So, sustainability in physical records cannot be maintained. Then after ninth one is feasible. Practically it is possible to record the data in computers with the help of machines. So it is not on the basis, the benefits are not there on a paper, but it has a real importance in the life of organization. So, adoption of this kind of machine can be feasibly possible. So, feasibility, practical importance, practical implementation of office automation is there in the business unit. And the last one, good at multitasking. Yes, we are able to give multiple commands to our machines. So, a single machine, a single computer, or any other device is able to perform many duties at a single period of time. So, through office automation, the multitasking approach can be easily maintained, which is not there if we are talking about the human beings. If an individual is busy in the marketing, then at the same time that person is not able to manage the HR of the organization, because human beings have their own limitations. Which computer does not have. So, it's all about the importance of office automation. The introduction of office mechanism will be there in our next session, because it has its own meaning. So today I am going to end my session. In the next session we'll have a discussion about office mechanism. Thank you all.